Hi everyone. So I just wanted to hop on here and do a quick video explaining this getting to know you activity and walking you through how to do it and the purpose behind it. So I think it's really important in any class that you guys get to know me a little bit and that I get to know you guys a little bit. And it's also really important that you guys get to know each other. And so in a virtual setting, this is really hard to do. And especially in an elective class like this, like journalism, some of you guys are in 9th grade, some of you guys are in 10th, some of you guys are in 11th, some of you guys are seniors. So some people in this class, maybe you don't know. Maybe you don't know their name, maybe you've never met them at all. And so it's good to do this activity to get to know each other as well. And so I tried to keep it really simple. And so just 3 steps here. First, you're going to create a new slide on this presentation. I wanted everybody's slides to be on the same presentation, again, so that you guys can get to know each other a little bit and you can see each other's slides. So to create a new slide, you'll click Slide, New Slide, and then most importantly, don't edit anyone else's slide. So again, up here at the top, you'll click Slide, New Slide, and then this will be your slide. Step 2. You will put a photo of yourself in the middle of the slide and add your name above it, and I will show you what I'm talking about on my example. And then around that photo of yourself, you'll add in images that represent you. So an easy way to do this is to click Insert, Image, search the web, and find what you're looking for. So Insert, Image, search the web, and then I use this as an example. If you're looking for football, maybe let's say you like this one. Drag it, drop it. So here is an example. This is one that I did. You can see my photo, my name at the top, and then some images. So if we were in class, what I would do is I would have this up on the board and I would have you guys kind of guess what these different images said about me. But since we are virtual, what I'm going to have you do is in the speaker notes down here, go through and explain just a little bit about what you mean by each image. So to get to the speaker notes, again, slide, new slide, just down here at the bottom, click to add speaker notes. You can just add in what you're doing. So I numbered mine, so like number 1, this image, softball, what does that mean? So you can see that here in my speaker notes. Boop, 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 boop. Also, your images don't have to be black and white. I just put mine all in black and white because I liked how it looked. But yeah, speaker notes here. So 1, softball glove up here. Played softball for 17 years. It's my first love. 2, books. I love to read. It's my dream to publish a book one day. 3, I put a picture of a dog. I have 2 dogs. They're my babies. 4, this UK logo. That's where I graduated from, and I'm currently in a master's program there as well. 5, some baking tools. I love to cook and bake for my friends and family. Number 6 up here, the New York City skyline. It is my favorite city in the world. I love New York and I hope to live there one day. 7, I put a wand. I'm a big Harry Potter nerd. 8, mountains. This one's kind of representing 2 different things. First, I love living in the Appalachian Mountains, and then I also love hiking and just being outdoors. 9, airplane. I love to travel. 10, I put a hammock. That is my favorite summer and fall time activity, is just hammocking with a good book. And then finally, 11, I put a barbell because I recently joined CrossFit and I absolutely love it. So that's my most recent hobby that I have. So again, this is what I'm asking you to do. Slide, new slide, picture of yourself in the middle, name above it, images around. You can put as few or as many as you want. Let's say at least 8. I put 11. Aim for at least 8. Do more if you want. And then in the speaker notes, just explain just really briefly what that image represents about you. And if you have any questions about this, please email me, amelia.burns@knox.kyschools.us. And once you are done with your slide, I encourage you to scroll through and look at your classmates' slides, get to know them a little bit. It will make class much more fun for all of us.